So although things have gotten quiet and kind of choppy across the crypto market, that hasn't been the case for Ripple and XRP. In fact, over these last few days, we've seen Ripple enter a $40 billion market, and we're talking about now the potential for a filing from a major player in the space when it comes to a spot ETF. And we're going to talk about this as well as XRP price and where things may be headed. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So XRP in general has been incredibly impressive, showing extreme comfort despite a lot of the uncertainty we've been dealing with in the market. Tariffs, black swan events, negative news hasn't really mattered as of late. And what we're seeing is XRP continue to try to push to create these breakouts, push time and time again. In fact, we are now sitting on 4 straight days of green candles, attacking the top of its trend, sitting at its 20-day moving average. And this is a range that we have to watch very closely because, yes, if XRP does in fact breach this 20-day moving average, that is a great sign. We'd be doing it at the same time as a breakout of its trend actually since the middle of January as well. That would be fantastic. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen. This isn't a guarantee or anything like that. We're still kind of relying on the broader crypto market for a bigger, more extended news, but we're looking at a potential trend reversal in terms of XRP. We are seeing the MACD actually cross over the signal line currently. We're seeing the same thing in terms of the RSI. So we have a perfect setup for an extension to the upside. And what's interesting here is if we continue to get a lot of this good news, it wouldn't surprise me if we do in fact start to make some of those moves. Now, what is exciting is yesterday it was announced that Ripple actually secured a key license in UAE. So what this is specifically a cross-border payment license. It's the only one that has this license there currently. And guys, this is actually a $40 billion market. So this is what Ripple has been very much focused on, is basically creating a monopoly across the world in cross-border payments. Because again, those settlements that take place within RippleNet, XRP Ledger, they are very quick, a lot faster than existing payment systems. They are the first to market. They are the one that is currently dominating the space. And where there's really truly potential here is not only is this a $40 billion market currently, there is a $400 billion international trade market that UAE has. It's a booming hub in the world, and they're one of the first to really accelerate this crypto embrace. So this is actually a very big deal, and again, creates further utility for XRP. The more demand there is there, the more you can see XRP price get impacted because of this. And really where things are getting interesting is, we obviously had the announcement of the SEC basically ready to drop this appeal versus Ripple in the Ripple v SEC case. That's a big deal. And what's interesting is now there are discussions about even bigger players entering the market. We talked about Franklin Templeton the other day. Hopefully I think that's right, which is a $1.5 trillion player. But now we're talking about BlackRock potentially entering the space, which is a 15 plus billion or 15. How much money they have? 15 trillion. $15 trillion manager, right? So, the analysts are actually discussing that this may in fact take place after the SEC lawsuit is dropped, right? So we have seen some of those initial filings from smaller players, but you can't help but ask yourself, are the big dogs going to follow? And the answer is likely yes, right? They wanted their piece of the Ethereum spot ETF. We know that Grayscale does in fact have XRP in several funds. I'm sorry, not Grayscale. We know that BlackRock is a big player when it comes to crypto, but yes, Grayscale does have XRP in several funds. I lost my train of thought, but you guys get the point. We are starting to see a big institutional takeover in the space, and they want their piece of the pie. And you have to ask yourself, how is this going to impact the price of assets? Right now, we're dealing with a little bit of time in terms of manipulation. They're trying to suppress the market currently. But the thing is when they decide to let the market send, this is where you're going to see a big impact in the charts, right? They're suppressing BTC price currently. When things start opening up, you're talking about entering mass adoption. You're talking about targeting the masses, and you can really see XRP do some of those incredible booms. The ones we've been talking about, the ones that are targeting, $8, $10, $12. All right. Now, again, I'm not saying this is going to happen today, but we continue to see these good signs. We continue to see Ripple not becoming stagnant, right? This big embrace for crypto is just beginning, and 2025, I think, can be an incredible year for XRP. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.